Today we are going to talk about Azure API Management policies and Copilot Edits. Copilot Edits is currently in preview and available to all GitHub Copilot users. In my demo today, we will explore how you can use Copilot Edits in Visual Studio Code to speed up your journey with Azure API Management policies. Before we jump right in, let's quickly go over the basics of Azure API Management policies. In API Management, you can change API behavior through configuration using policies. Policies are a collection of statements described in an XML document that are run one after another and can apply to your API requests and responses. They can also contain C# statements, and some policies can easily become very lengthy and complex based on your use case. To manage this, I'm using our APIM VS Code extension to write my policy in my IDE. Since I'm already in VS Code, I can now also leverage GitHub Copilot Edits, which will help me write these policies faster and more easily. I will start with my demo in the Azure portal, where I can find my deployed Echo API. I will now switch over to VS Code, where I'm using our API Management extension. Here, I can also find and see my Echo API and easily open my API policy file. For my scenario, I have an Azure Storage account where I will quickly create a container called logs to Kasper. I need this container to securely upload blob files using an API call through Azure API Management. As a newbie with Azure policies, I will use the help of GitHub Copilot to write my API policy and with Copilot Edits to actually change my policy in my current working file. Let's see what GitHub Copilot comes up with using my current open working file as a reference. I highly recommend testing and playing with Copilot Edits, as the outcome might vary based on the prompts you provide. I can see in my working file what Copilot changed, and I can accept or reject it, depending on whether I like the result. Even if I accept it, I can still continue to work on my file, using the input Copilot provided as a starting template. Looking at the set URL policy, I have to provide a URL to my endpoint, which in my case is my Azure Storage account and container. I can go back and forth between my service and my IDE, providing the needed information such as my Azure Storage name and my container name, and replace it in my policy to modify it as needed. I noticed that my prompt didn't provide the authentication via managed identity as I asked for. I will go and provide new instructions. Copilot Edits will use my prompt now to generate edits in my working file and suggest another change. I can easily save my changes, which will also ask if I want to upload my changes to my APIM service in the cloud. If an error occurs, just like here, I will check my output window for more insights. I can copy the error message, for example, and quickly put it into my Copilot chat for help. Copilot is recommending to remove the set body policy, and with edits, it will remove the affected line. I only have to accept it and resave my file to check if it worked. This seems to have done the trick, and I was able to successfully deploy my policy to the cloud. I noticed that you usually have to provide a version as your header. With edits, again, my line changes based on my input prompt as suggested, and I only have to accept them to continue. Now that I was able to upload my policy again, I'm ready to test my API call. Via my VS Code extension, I will click on the operation I want to test. Before sending my request, I have to provide the APIM subscription key. Now I'm ready to hit the send button and check if my API call was successful. I'm getting a 200 response, indicating that it was successful. I will check my storage account now to see if a blob file was created, which it was. It seems like everything worked as expected, except that my naming convention wasn't what I was hoping for. I found an insightful article online with a very similar experience providing a code snippet, and go back to Copilot Edits to provide these insights and ask Copilot to modify my policy. Again, my edits are generated and applied based this time on my more enhanced prompt, guiding Copilot to a more accurate outcome. Edits are suggested, I can quickly check and accept them. I will now upload my policy one more time, first checking if they're accepted, and now ready to test my operation. After again providing the subscription key, I'm ready to hit request again whenever I go back to my container in my storage account. This time, every time I send an API request, new information with more detail is stored in my container, and new files are created with relevant information about my API calls. I hope you enjoyed this demo, showcasing a great way to leverage the power of AI with GitHub Copilot Edits to get started with Azure API Management policies.